This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. Condiment squeeze bottles. In this video, we're talking about our favorite little squeeze bottles and some of the ways we use these bad boys in our bakery. So in our studio, we do a lot of work with cakes, so we typically fill these with simple syrup, and it's a nice, easy delivery method that doesn't require a pastry brush, which if you're using a real old-fashioned one can sometimes leave behind bristles. So it's a nice, easy way to cleanly deliver that simple syrup to our layers of cake, giving them extra moisture that they can then retain, leaving us with beautiful, luscious, moist wedding cakes, which is fantastic. But in addition to that, they make great little delivery methods for condiments. So think ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce at your next barbecue. If you're looking to make a nice little display, a nice pack of squeeze bottles is a great way to put those things out. You can also then add labels, etc. They're also great for a variety of dessert sauces, especially if you're trying to do something controlled like some pillating and you want to do some nice little dots of, say, a little raspberry coulis, a little kiwi sauce, mango, whatever. This can allow you to make nice, beautiful, complicated patterns. The other thing I use them for is sometimes I do classes with children in which we're using runny frostings. Putting that stuff in pastry bags is a recipe for disaster with those tiny little hands. It ends up everywhere. Putting it in these sauce bottles controls the flow. It also controls the spillage because they're kind of contained in here and things can only get so wild. So especially at the holiday time when I'm doing things like royal icing classes, doing stuff like putting the runnier royal icing for flooding cookies in these sauce bottles makes a great delivery method for tiny hands. It allows them to have fun and me not to worry and not to have so much of a mess to clean up later. So they're good not only for your next barbecue, but also if you're looking to do something fancier in the kitchen, like some advanced plating, to decorating cakes, to even doing fun projects with kids. So they're a great, useful thing to have on hand, not only in our studio, but also in your home kitchen. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.